Here's some Vichy France trivia. Subscribe. What was the official name of Vichy France? Is it A, French Empire, B, French State, C, National Socialist Regime, or D, Free French Government? The correct answer is B, French State. Which area was excluded from Vichy control? Is it A, Collaboration Zone, B, Free Zone, C, Southern France, or D, Occupied Zone? The correct answer is B, Free Zone. Which government did Vichy replace? Is it A, First Empire, B, Provisional Government, C, Fourth Republic, or D, Third Republic? The correct answer is D, Third Republic. What international organization was Vichy France excluded from? Is it A, United Nations, B, NATO, C, World Bank, or D, EU? The correct answer is A, United Nations. Who was Vichy's Minister of Propaganda? Is it A, Pierre Laval, B, Robert Lafont, C, Charles de Gaulle, or D, Philippe Pétain? The correct answer is B, Robert Lafont. Which famous French general opposed Vichy France? Is it A, Charles de Gaulle, B, Philippe Pétain, C, Georges Clemenceau, or D, Napoleon Bonaparte? The correct answer is A, Charles de Gaulle. What was a notable feature of Vichy France's government structure? Is it A, democratic elections, B, civil rights expansion, C, militarization, or D, decentralization? The correct answer is C, militarization. What was the fate of Philippe Pétain after World War II? Is it A, death penalty, B, life imprisonment, C, exile, or D, acquitted? The correct answer is B, life imprisonment. Where was the Vichy government based? Is it A, Vichy Town Hall, B, Lyon, C, Paris, or D, Marseille? The correct answer is A, Vichy Town Hall. What form of government ended with Vichy's fall? Is it A, military junta, B, democratic republic, C, authoritarian regime, or D, monarchy? The correct answer is C, authoritarian regime. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.